Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website cleanswipestore.com. I'm on the homepage and I really like that you're showing what you're selling in the hero image. So obviously this spray for cleaning the mobiles and other devices. This is really user friendly. This is really conversion friendly because people know right away what you're selling, how to use it, what kind of benefits they get. There is a tagline and call to action linking to the product page, which is absolutely perfect. I love the 50% off in the top banner. Make sure that it's always up to date. So I'm not sure when is Memorial Day in the USA. I'm guessing you're in the USA. Make sure to change it after this day has passed, so people know that the store is maintained. So it's important about those, time-bound offers. Remember to update them. I understand this is one product store because buy now is linked to the product page, but this is really good. You just need to optimize your website a different way than huge merchandise stores, but obviously it is yeah, the top navigation is really nicely organized. Okay, the video is really nice and friendly. It shows how to use the product, what kind of difference it makes, because there were fingerprints on the screen and they were gone after you cleaned it, and then you describe how to use it, linking to the product, which is perfect. Okay, really nicely organized content when it comes to one product. So you know how to keep people entertained, how to keep people engaged, how to keep them on a website for longer, which is really important for a product with one with for the websites with one product store. You have to add more content to keep people engaged and keep people browsing for longer. And you do it very well. I would just add more videos, more testimonials, blog posts, and so on, so to keep people browsing for longer, because it's really important for SEO. Google doesn't like websites with short dwell times, so you have to keep adding more content to keep people, on the website for longer. Also, make sure to add social media links, social media sites, link them from the footer as well. Your refund policy still has default Shopify policy, so make sure to have unique content. You need to specify, you need to customize for your own niche, because this policy still mentions items you're not selling, as you can see. So it can confuse buyers. It also risks of you having duplicate content, because hundreds and thousands of other Shopify stores have the same policy. So you need to have your own unique policy. Okay, the product page looks really good. I love that there's add to cart above the fold. The price is nicely displayed. If there's a sale, remember to go back to the full price sale after the sale ends. Otherwise, people will see that it's not genuine if the sale is on all the time, which can affect your trust and authority. However, the product page is nicely organized. I would just add more trust signals, such as about us page, telling about yourself and your team, why you picked this niche, and obviously the shipping policy. So you need to specify how long is the shipping, how much is the shipping, whether you ship worldwide. Those kind of information will be very important for your potential shoppers. Lack of them can affect your conversion rate and sales. I noticed you've got About Us page linked from the footer menu, not from, from the top menu, not from the footer menu. I'll just add more content here. Put a photo of yourself, add more content, because you need to keep adding more written content, at least 500 words per page. This is much better for SEO. Your SEO score is 48 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is not optimized, so your meta title, meta description, make sure to add more details, optimize it. Otherwise, Google will derive very generic content, which will not work to your benefit in the search results. You're missing H1 tags, which is usually assigned to the page. However, you're missing the H1. Obviously, you don't have the all of the tags, which should be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Yeah, you need more amount of content. As I mentioned, blog posts, longer pages. It's very important for Google. Remember to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags as well. Work on your URLs. Make sure that the URLs are Google friendly, are shorter, more defined, and have got your target keywords as well. And also connect your Google Analytics. It's a free tool to help you track your traffic and help you see if there's any issues with Google penalty and anything else. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.